Hello guys, I'm Halim Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to delete permanently any Gmail or Google accounts. If you think so that now no needed more, hence especially any particular Gmail ID, then of course within a second of course you can delete permanently. How is it possible? From any smartphone or from any Android device. If you would like to delete permanently any Gmail accounts, of course this can be quickly, but you know password but you don't know actually Gmail recovery, especially phone or emails. However, this ID can be deleted. How it is possible? We will see live here. Tap on here any Gmails, and this area has been especially logged in the browser, especially. So now we have an option that especially manage your Gmail accounts. And if we tap on the manage your Gmail accounts, we will come to data privacy. In data privacy, of course, we have options. We will have options in that to delete it. So yes, we will scroll up and we will come just to scroll up, and if we come on here, so then delete your Gmail accounts. These options, just we will go for execute these things, and when we tap on here, then it thinks that this, of course, I acknowledge that I am still responsible for any especially charging this kind of things, of course, and yes, I want to delete this account permanently. And when we tap on it, then this area will be now see here your account and its all data have been deleted now. So this is permanently deleted from here. Recover your accounts. No, I don't want to recover option there. So just we will come on here now on especially Google and see here we can now let's tab on a especially keyboard of it, and then we will tap on here. Let's see this account exists or not. So we will tap on the sign in to first. Now yes, we will go for here. See, now it's a sanction. This account has been deleted. So wait for 24 hours and this will be permanently deleted. Either it is your YouTube's linked with this channel or any linked with the social media, everything will be deleted from here. So this is all about how to likes. Don't forget to leave the feedbacks below the comment box, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.